Hello guys, this is Capral Electric. I've just received my little oscilloscope in kit. It's the DSO138. Oh, I needed an oscilloscope for my small projects, something small, that I can carry around and really, just for a little breadboard project where it doesn't require the features of a professional oscilloscope. It's really cheap. So I've just received it today. Yeah, bear in mind, bear with me a second. I'm holding my camera in one hand and trying to opening this bag with the other. Not really easy. Let's try that. All right. Let's empty it. Let's check what's inside. Components, all the components. You have to solder everything yourself, so it is an oscilloscope in kit. So you need some soldering skills. That's the cable, right? It's a bit smaller than I thought, to be honest. On the picture, it looks a bit bigger, but that's all right. I mean, I paid like 18 euros. That's what, £12. Come on, that's nothing. Okay, let's check that. All right, I see some SMD components, surface mount components. They're already soldered on the board, which is good thing. Because I don't think I can solder this with my cheap entry level soldering station. It's a good one, but I'm not equipped for SMD at the moment. And right, can you see the SMD's components? So all you have to solder, I think, is the through-hole components. There is some small bits though to solder. You still need to be quite good. Have the right tip for your solder. Right, that's the screen. Tiny little TFT screen, 2.4 inches. That's tiny, but we'll see what it's worth later on. Doesn't look cheap though. Looks pretty good, to be honest. For the price you pay, it's fair enough. Let's see. So that's components all there on my breadboards. There's some documentation that comes with it. Yep, instruction, user manual. It's nothing big really. Just some explanation of how to build it, and some testing that you have to do afterward, and maybe troubleshooting if once you have soldered everything and something goes wrong, doesn't work. This is the procedure to follow. That's pretty clear. It's all in English, not Chinese. that's a good thing. Right, some testing to do here. We'll do that later. Right, that's the user manual. That's the instruction, the order to follow when soldering your components on the board. Or you can respect it if you want, but you don't have to. But if you're a beginner, you'd rather follow that. I might not follow it precisely, but I usually start the same way, with resistors first, inductance, and build up toward the and solder the bigger components last. Right. What's this? That is. Right. There's also the schematic that come with the kit. There you go, full schematic of the kit. That's GYE Tech Limited, gytech.com. That's a company that makes this oscilloscope. They make other oscilloscopes as well, other kits. Yeah, it's pretty detailed schematic. I suppose if you buy all the components, you can make one yourself. At the back, we have some instructions, how to calibrate your oscilloscope, how to use it, functionalities, blah blah blah, etc. etc. Right, now all I have to do is solder all the components, do the tests that are suggested. So soldering time. I'm not gonna do that in front of you, so I'll just solder that away and be back and show you the results. Right, it's all soldered now. I had a component missing, a resistor was missing, so I've had to solder to take one of mine. So it's the bigger resistor right there. It's larger than the one that I give you, but it fits. So it's all soldered. It took me a bit of time, but I've done that. That's the screen. So now all I have to do is place it on top of that. I've done all the testing already, so I don't have and calibration, so I don't have to go through all that. So now I'm just gonna put the screen on and test it on a little circuit that I built on my breadboard. See if it works. Okay, that's all. Right. Yeah, I've made a little circuit on my breadboard, which I'm going to test right now. I've done a simulation first. That's the schematics. I've done a simulation on LT Spice, so I know pretty much what to expect in the from the output. It's two outputs. I put output 1, which would give me a square wave, and output 2 should give me a triangle. So that's what I got from my simulation on LT Spice, and hopefully I should get something similar. Okay, all plugged. Let's test it. Let's test. Yep, square wave output 1. Good, looks good so far. It's rather accurate, actually, to be honest. Yeah, that's pretty much what I got on the LC simulation. So it's on AC right now, so it should not be on AC. It's really I get DC input. So there's AC or DC function, so I'll put it on DC. Yeah, that's correct. It's all correct. So that's working. Nice. Hold. Okay. 1 millisecond, etc., etc. Okay. Alright, pretty happy with that. Let's test the triangle. Output 2. Got it there. Crammed in here. There's a point of having a small oscilloscope like that. Yeah, looks like a triangle so far. And there we go. Nice triangle. Wow. Pretty impressed, to be honest. For such a price, I mean, I paid 18 euros plus delivery. Alright, what I did, because I had no box around it, I put it in a plastic bag. Well, basically that's the plastic bag I got when I received it. So I just put 2 holes there, and because at the moment I don't have any box for it. So, and I don't want to leave it in the dust and protect it. So at the moment I put it in a plastic bag. I might buy a box for it, or just make one out of plexiglass or something like that. But at the moment I'll just leave it in the in the plastic bag for protection. I can still access all the buttons and functions, so it should be alright. Alright, that's the DSO138 from GYE. Please like the video under, or if you have any comment, leave your comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any questions regarding this product, you can send me a message. And also, well, if anything happened and or with this oscilloscope, I shall make another video and let you know and see how it handles itself over time. That's it. I'm Caporal Electric, and that's the DSO138 kit. Bye.